In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Shopify store. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and head to the home dashboard, so we're starting from a familiar place. From there, look to the lower left corner for settings. Open settings, then select payments. This is where you manage how customers pay at checkout and where you'll add, switch, or test providers. On the payments page, choose the option to select a provider. For a safe dry run, pick the testing gateway often labeled as Bogus Gateway. Activate it to simulate transactions without charging real cards. This is handy for confirming that your checkout flow, thank you page, and notifications work as expected. You can also open the About section for that testing gateway to review how it behaves and what test card numbers it recognizes. When you're done reviewing the test option, return to Choose a Provider. Use the filter for providers that support 3D Secure, sometimes shown as Supports 3DS. This helps you find options that add an extra layer of authentication for certain cards and regions, which can reduce fraud and chargebacks. Select a provider that matches your business needs, open its page, and follow the on-screen prompt to connect or activate it. You'll typically see details on fees, supported cards, and any regional limitations. If you're comparing multiple choices, you can go back to Choose a Provider again, reapply the 3DS filter, and open another option such as a direct connection gateway. Review its summary, then proceed through the highlighted button to continue setup if you're considering that one as well. Availability and terms can vary by country, business type, and currency. So checking a few providers side by side is a smart move. When you're ready to proceed with a specific solution like a native card checkout from a well-known payouts platform, return to the provider list and select it. Open the provider's page. When it loads, click Install to add it to your store. Shopify will guide you through any remaining steps, which may include creating or connecting an account with the provider, verifying your business details, and setting default currencies or payout preferences. Once installed and connected, the new provider becomes available at checkout. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Testing with a Bogus Gateway is great for staging, but remember to switch to your live provider before launching campaigns. After any change, place a small test order using a real card to confirm the customer experience, and check your payment capture settings, manual versus automatic, to match your workflow. That's it. You've navigated to payments, reviewed options, and installed a new provider, all within Shopify's